everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the lecture of class 9th, today I will start a new chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. Okay, so let's start the new chapter, that is linear equation. Linear equations in two variables. In two variables. Okay, so what is the meaning of this chapter? Linear equation in two variables. So in this chapter we have one equation has power 1, that is linear. In two variable matlab x or y are the variables. So definition, today I will first of all I will do the definition. What is the definition? An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are real and x, a and b cannot be zero simultaneously, and x, y are variables is called a linear equation in two variables. Ultimately we have the form of this, which is a linear equation in two variables. This is equation. Linear means having power 1. So x have a power 1, y have a power 1. There are a, b, c that are constant, that are real, and x and y there are two variables. So this is the equation which is in the form of linear in two variables. Okay, for example, we have 2x plus 3y is equals to 4, x plus root 2y equals to minus 9, etc. These are the example of linear equation in two variable. Now one question from your NCERT, write the equation x minus 4 is equals to root 3y in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. So how we can solve this question? This question is very easy and this is a basic questions. So how to solve? When we start the solution, I will take the equation x minus y is equals to root 3y. Okay, but the statement demands that y should be on the left hand side. So I will take this on the left hand side like this. Minus 4 equals to 0 on comparing with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. We get what we get on comparing with, this is in the form of ax plus bx plus c. When you compare it, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus root 3 and c is equals to minus 4. So this is the way to solve the equation and indicate their values of a, b and c. Okay, now come to the solutions. Solution of linear equations. Solutions of linear equation, how to solve the linear equation and how many solutions are there in a linear equation. There are only one solution in the linear equation having variable 1. Okay, if there is a variable 1, there is only one solution, that is unique solution. Okay, in a equations having two variables, the linear equation having two variables have infinitely many solutions. Okay, so how we can write it? Solution. Now our topic is solution of linear equations. So write down solution of linear equations. There are two terms which you want to keep in your mind. You have to keep in your mind first. First is every linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Has unique मतलब only one solution. Okay, and the second one, and every linear equation in two variable, linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Okay, many solution. So how we can find infinitely many solution? By using the linear, an example of linear equation, how we can find these infinitely many solution? The solution of one variable is totally depend on the solution of another. Okay, so I will take the example. For example, find four solution of x minus 2y equals to 6. How we can find the solutions? For taking solution, you have to substitute. Take the equation 2y is equals to 6. Okay, x is equals to 6 plus 2y. Now I will put the value of y, or I will get the value of x. Put y is equals to 0. When y is equals to 0, put in equation 1. From 1, x is equals to 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. So this is one of the solution. Put y is equals to 1 in equation 1. So what is we get, what is having there? 2 into 1, 2 1 are 2, 6, 7, 8. So x is equals to 6 plus 2, 8. Right? This is the second solution. Now put y is equals to minus 1 in 1. When you substitute minus 1, x is equals to 6 minus 2, that is 4. Okay, so this is the third solution. Now come to the fourth solution. Put y is equals to minus 2 in equation in 1. x is equals to 6 minus 2 2s are 4, so negative x is equals to 2. So these are the four solutions. There x, so we have a one box having four solution. How we can write? X is equals to 6, when y is equals to 0. Okay, x is equals to y is equals to 1, then x is equals to 8. Y is equals to minus 1, and we will make one more box, minus 1, and x is equals to 4. Y is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to 2. So there are four solutions. In this way we can substitute any value and find this infinitely many solutions. Okay, I will repeat again the question. The value of one variable depend on the value of other. When you substitute 0, 6 plus 0, that is 6. When you put 1 in place of y, 2 1s are 2, 6 plus 2, that is 8. When you substitute minus 1 that makes plus 2 into minus 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4. Then 1 by 2, then 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. In this way we will write the solutions. Okay. Now come to the graph of a linear equations. How we can find the graph? very easy to find. For finding the graph, we need only 2 points. To draw a graph, we need only 2 points of the linear equations. Any 2 points you can take. Okay, to come to the graph of a linear equation. Graph of linear equation. Graph of linear equations. One important thing which you want to learn about this, what is that? Every linear equation has a straight line. Always a straight line graph. Always a straight line graph. Okay, every linear equation has always a straight line graph. Okay, so their graph is always a straight line. How we can check? Take the questions. Draw the graph of x plus 2y is equals to minus 4. Okay, x plus 2y is equals to minus 4. How we can solve this? First of all, take two solutions to make the graph. X plus 2y is equals to minus 4. That means x is equals to minus 4 plus minus 2y. Okay, this comes into 2y. Minus 4 minus 2y. Put y is equals to 0. When you put y is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 4 only. Put y is equals to 1. When you substitute y is equals to 1, x is equals to minus 4, minus 2 into 1. 2 1 are 2, 4 or 2, 6. Right? Make a table to draw the graph. We need only 2 points. X, y 0, x is minus 4, y is 1 and x is minus 6. Right? Now draw the graph. There is always, this is the way to draw the graph. There is x and here we have x negative, y and y negative. Take the numbers from minus 4 to minus 6 up to minus 6. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. We want graph to draw a graph. There are some blocks in that graph. How to plot? Make the equal distance of, at equal distance we have to plot 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 at the equal distance of that boxes. So we have to take like this 0, x, y, 0, x is minus 4. This is x is y 0 and y is minus 4. X is y is 1 and x is minus 6. This is 1 comma minus 6 comma 1. ठीक है? Okay, यहाँ पे minus 4 comma 0. This is minus 4 comma 0. This is minus 6 comma 1. So we have to join these two and using a scale we can draw a line. Write the equation on the last of this. X minus x plus 2y equals to minus 4. So this is origin. You have to plot the points like this and make a straight line like this. So this is the way to draw the graph. In this way you can easily draw the graph. Take the distance, equal distance at each box in a graph paper. Okay. Do the practice of these questions. Thank you.